Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a video of me loading this Nikon film camera. This is a 35mm film. These brands Kodak and Ilford I've used before, but I haven't used the other one. If you can look through your manual, it will often tell you what's what or how to do it. And do check the date of your film. I'm using this one because it goes out of date this month, and I've been leaving it in the fridge to make sure that it's alright to use. So, here I just opened the back of my film camera with the top, and I'm loading up the film. So you pull a bit out, and you draw it to that red line here, and make sure there's no slack in the film when it reaches there. And you're ready to shut the lid. Switch the switches, turn it on, and check your ISO and alter that. I chose 400 here because that's the typical one. And the shutter speed. And that's the thing to take photos. You turn that on and you watch these numbers move to 1. As you heard there, from mathematics, so when you pressed it, basically rolled itself on. This was the film rolling on, and that's it.